Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up Shopify Payments for your online store. Now log into your Shopify account. From your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, click on General. On the store details, you can set up your payment currency. In my case, it is at the Philippine peso since I'm currently in the Philippines. To change this one, click the three dots on the right, then click Change Store Currency on the options. From here, select the currency you want by scrolling over to the options on this drop-down. Once done, click Save. Now let's head to Payments on the left side menu. Then over here, you can set up and add payment methods. As you can see, I have PayPal as my only supported payment method right here. You can set this up for you to have PayPal. To add one, let's just click this Add Payment Method below. From here, search the payment provider you want to add. Let's say we want to add GCash, so type that in the search box. Then click this result. From here, you can select a payment provider that you may like. I will choose Port 1 over here, since it has 71 different payment methods. Let's tap on that. After that, click Install over here. Wait for it to load. And once loaded, click Install once again. On this page, you can choose and activate the payment method you want. Once done, scroll to the bottom and select Activate. And there you go. As you can see, once we go back to payments on the settings, Port 1 is now activated. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.